Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will look at one of the easiest way of completing square on quadratic functions. So this method, which we call direct method or vertex method, will use just a formula. So here is the formula. Given the function ax squared plus bx plus c, we can convert it to completed square format using this formula. So we have a times x plus b by 2a squared plus c minus b squared by 4a. So this is the constant part, and this is the complete square part. So let's look at some examples now. We want to complete square for this one, x squared minus 3x plus 18. The first step is to identify what a, b, and c are. So these are just the coefficients of x squared, x, and the constant term. So in this case, a would be 1 because coefficient of x squared is 1. We have 1 x squared here. B would be negative 3 because coefficient of x is negative 3. We have negative 3x. And C is 18, just the constant part. So once we have these, then we can simply apply this formula here. So using that formula, we have A in the front. So we keep 1 for A. And then we have x plus, we have b by 2a over here. So b is negative 3 divided by 2a. 2 times a is 1. So we got b by 2a. Then we close the parenthesis, square. So we are done with the first part here. Plus c is 18. Then minus b squared by 2a. So b squared will be negative 3 squared by 4a. So 4 times 1. So we are done setting up the formula. Now the rest is just simplifying it. So the first part, we have x minus 3 by 2 squared plus 18, and this will be minus 9 over 4. Negative 3 squared is 9, 9 over 4. Now we can combine these two constants, 18 minus 9 by 4. And it will look like x minus 3 by 2 squared plus, so to combine these two, we can multiply top and bottom of 18 by 4. That will give us 72 by 4 over here, minus 9 by 4. So we can go one step further, combining these two. So we have x minus 3 by 2 squared plus 74 minus 9 is 63, 63 by 4. So this is the format we want. Okay, we are done with this example. Let's look at the next one now. Next, we have 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. Again, the first step is to identify a, b, and c. In this case, a is 2, the coefficient of x squared. B is negative 5, the coefficient of x. And c is the constant term, which is negative 3 in this case. Now we apply this formula. So we have a in the front, which is 2 times x plus b by 2a. b is negative 5 divided by 2a, 2 times 2. We have that squared plus c, which is negative 3, minus b squared by 4a. b is negative 5. So we have that squared divided by 4a, 4 times 2. So we have it set up here. Now the rest is just simplifying. We have 2x, and this will be negative 5 by 4 squared minus 3 minus 25 by 8. Negative 5 squared is 25, and 4 times 2 is 8. Now the last step is just combining these two constants, negative 3 and negative 25 by 8. So this will be 2 times x minus 5 by 4 squared. So this 3 we can write as 24 by 8. So then we'll have 24 by 8 and 25 by 8. So we get 49 by 8. So this is the completed square form for this given function. Let's look at the next example now. So we want to complete a square on 12x squared plus 6x here. So again, the first step is to identify a, b, and c. A in this case is 12, the coefficient of x squared. B is 6, the coefficient of x. And here we don't have constant term. That means c is 0, because you can think of this function as having plus 0 over here. So c is 0. Now we are ready to apply this formula. So we have a in the front, which is 12 times x plus b by 2a. So b is 6 over 2a, 2 times 12 plus c, which is 0, minus b squared over 4a. b squared would be 6 squared over here, 4a, 4 times 12. And this is the setup. Now the rest is just simplifying. So 12 times x, 6 over 24 would be 1/4. Plus, we actually have negative since we have plus 0 minus that quantity over here. So we get negative 36 divided by 48. We can reduce this fraction one step further. So we have 12x plus 1/4. And if you divide top and bottom of this fraction by 12, we get 3/4. So this is the complete square form. So it looks like I missed squaring at each step here. So we have that square and that square and that square. So this is the complete square form for the given functions 12x squared plus 6x.